Hi dear customers, this is Ashley again from Tianjin Lituo Hardware. Drywall screw is our company's most competitive product, and there are so many different kind of drywall screws. And today I'd like to introduce the great phosphated fan thread drywall screw with beautiful head. And the gray phosphated ones also is very welcomed by most of the markets. And the screw can be with different head mark. Here is with 1 letter, and we also have a head mark with 3 letter. So if you would like to know more detail about the head marks, we can talk offline anytime. Thank you for your time.